Makiaria hindi ya icera ria Gavana John Lunyangapuo kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, magavana aya ni maugite ati njira imwe ya kugacirithia uthii wa na mbere kaunti-ini ni mbeca kurekagiririo tene kuma kuri thirikari nene.
Even if you have brilliant ideas that you want to do without money, it is almost nothing.
Magavana aya eri ni maugite mibango na mitaratara mingi ya guteithia andu makaunti-ini ni rugamite ni gucerithagirio kwa mbeca ici iria ikoragwo ihitukitio ni mbunge cieri cia bururi no igacerithirio kurekererio kuri thirikari cia kaunti.
So we want to run and move these programs that the wananchi have approved through public participation, but we need support and funding. I know the funding we have is limited, but let that small amount approved for us come.
Many of the programs we have are stalled because you are not able to move. But we still thank national government because it is releasing the funds, albeit at a very slow pace. But in terms of development, we would wish to pray that there is a faster release of funds to come to the counties so that we are able to move.
Hari ukinyaniria wa motungata ma ugima wa mwiri, magavana aya ni manyitite mbaru riendekithia ria muikariri giti wa kanjo ya magavana hari gutumwo kwa ataramu 100 a ugima wa mwiri kuma bururi-ini wa Cuba kaunti-ini ciothe niguo guthomithia arigitani a guku bururi-ini na kuheana motungata.
You know, all hospitals in Kenya are scattered in the counties. So we have Nyeri Referral Hospital here. We have Kapenguria County Referral Hospital. We need to have the distributors, doctors, so that we can also benchmark with them.
I fully support that they should be spread within the counties for two things. Number one, to bring in services, and also two, there must be a component of training for our people.
Maugete riendekithia riri ni ria bata ni amu ataramu a ugima wa mwiri mabataranitie muno mathibitari-ini ma county no ti thibitari-ini iria nene bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Geto Wangari Maria wa Muigana.